Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Cinema HD on Android TV. So first thing you need to do is go to apps, and under apps you get the browser of choice. We're trying to get the app before we can watch it. So I'm going to Google and I'm going to type in Cinema HD. So CIN, and I have the suggestion is Cinema HD app. So you have to look for the one that has play.google.com. Look for the link that has play.google.com, and that is the one we're going to choose. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Cinema HD on Android TV, but for now I'm going to show you how to get the app. Right here you see how to get the app. You could click on the install button you find here to download the app if you don't have it already. But since I have it, I'm just going to click open and I'll get into the app. So the app loads up, and this is the Cinema HD app, the streaming app. Under home you can see the welcome page. You could use this search bar to search for any movies you want. If you have a title in mind, search it, find it, watch it. That's how the streaming app works. Alternatively, you can use the bottom buttons to navigate on the search. So clicking on this, you can search any film or movie you want. At the same time, you go down to movies to have a wide selection. This is a ready-made selection. You could choose them by their rankings. As you can see, this one is 7.3 rated, 5.8 rated. So you could use that method to choose the movie you want to watch. Also, the TV series, you could look at the TV series you're interested in right here. Any of them you choose, you could find a wide variety of very recent, very classic movies, and you could choose them from here and watch. Also, you could go to the Discover tab and find different genres of movies. So you could look at science fiction, horror, romance, comedy, and browse. So under comedy you have a lot of TV series, TV shows. You have movies under suggestions. So whatever you want, you could easily categorize them here. And when you get what you want, if you don't have time to watch it immediately, you could choose to make it a favorite. And when you have a couple of movies or TV series or shows under favorites, you could come down to the favorite tab down here and watch those things. They'll be all saved and categorized under here, so you could come here and watch what you have saved. So that's basically it about the app. It's a very easy to use app, smooth, clean interface, and I'm very sure you enjoy it. So if you enjoy content like this and you enjoy this type of videos, you find this content informative, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.